Hello guys, for another video. In today's video I will show you how you can find trend ideas that sold after only 12 hours from uploaded on Redbubble just from Google with a simple query. It's not Google Trends and not Google News. This trick I find it this week, I tested and I find it very powerful. Instead I make 2 sales with it. For the new people, my name is Saji. I provide videos about making money online with Redbubble, KDP and also affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in these fields, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And now, let's get started. First, go to google.com and type Redbubble. Choose images. After, click on tools and select last 24 hours. Now Google show us the latest products added on Redbubble. It's simple, just choose any design here and click on it. For example, this one. After, see if the design have a small competition on Redbubble and made the design similar. Because people search all the day on trends and ideas, you can just use this method and see what other sellers find and upload on Redbubble. Like you see, this niche have only 300 results. You will say how this can help me to get more sales on Redbubble. Okay, the sellers on Redbubble stay all the day search for any new niches or new ideas to make their designs, and also there is who use paid tools to find these ideas. If you use this method, you will just wait and search every hour for latest designs uploaded on Redbubble and see if the idea of the design have a small competition or not. It means you can take advantage of other people's effort searching all the day about ideas and trends and make your design similar to their designs and compete with them. I hope you understand my point and my goal from this method, and I am sure you will use it better than me. And if you're interested in a specific niche, just click the keyword of your niche here, for example dog. Like you see, Google show us the latest designs added on Redbubble have the keyword of dog. Don't forget to click at tools to filter the period. And voila, all these designs are added in last 24 hours. Like you see, 6 hours, 6 hours, only 3 hours, 3 hours, 22 hours, 1 hour, 7 hours. This is the latest designs added on Redbubble have the keyword of dogs. So you can use this method all the day and see what people uploads on Redbubble. I make 2 sales with this method after just 12 hours uploaded my design, and I will show you how I scale this method. I just find an idea and I go to Google Trends. I find the idea trends at that moment, and also the seller who upload this idea upload more than 40 designs in the same idea. It means the seller sure that these designs will be sold. And after 1 hour I create my design similar to his designs, not the same of course, and after 12 hours I made 2 sales. And also you can go to Google Trends and see the trends results. After copy any idea you find it or you want it or paste it on Google and use this method, you will see the latest designs uploaded on Redbubble have the same idea. And you can be creative with this method, and I am sure there is a lot of ways you can use it to take advantage of this method. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope this video helped you to get more sales on Redbubble, and I share only the ways I personally use. So if you benefit from this video, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.